Hi, this is a short video to show you how to take the MYP grades that you have awarded to students based on their work into the term grade or the MYP final grade. So first, go to Manage Back and then find the class you're looking for. I'm going to look at Fundamentals of Computer Science. It is a year-long class I teach, and I would go to Task, and then I would go to Gradebook, and you can see the different grades students have earned, and then I'm going to do Submit Term Grades. Now, I've already started mine, so I'm going to explain this to you after I show you what it looks like in another class. This is a one-semester class, and we only need to do the spring semester class since we'll be processing the spring semester report card or a year-long class, but again, you only do it from the spring semester grades. It pulls over the fall semester as well. So I'm in this one semester class, and I've gone and I've hit Task, and then I went to Gradebook, and now I'm going to do Submit Term Grades. And you will see that I have an A, a B, and a C and D for one semester for each of the students. So now I just look at the bars, and this A earned, or this objective A earned a score of a 7. B, Developing Ideas and Design, was a 7. Creating the Solution was a 6. And then the Evaluating was a 7. And so now I have a sum total 27, which it comes out of a possible 32 points, which gives this student a final grade of a 6. Let me show you what this looks like. This student had a 5, a 6, a 7, and a 6. And you'll see the same process, 24 out of 32, which is a final grade of 6. So you would continue on and finish the rest of those. So let me go back here and show you what it looks like. Okay, so in this case, if a student did not have or did not turn in one, you'll have an empty column, and then that would be a 0. For a reason that maybe a student came in after you had processed that, you might have an NA. So as I go through and I look at some of these, I can show you where this student does not have some, so they have a single grade. Usually the last column is the newest achievement level, so you would have to decide, is the student in this case still more of a 5, which is a lower B when we translate grades, or is he more of a 6, which is a little bit stronger B? So you would have to decide and to award that achievement. We don't average, it's based on preponderance of evidence. So sometimes it is your best opinion. I can look at this one, and you can see here it was a 7 and an 8, and that really shows the strength of this student, so I gave the 8. Over here with the 3 Bs, I have an 8, a 6, and a 7, and the 7 is the last one, a 6, 7, and they really are, as they're progressing throughout the year, really more of a 7 still. There's a few things they need to learn and understand and show in their work. So in C, I have a 7 and a 6, and as the year went on and things got a little bit tougher, they're more of a 6, and this is easier because I have 2 7s, and of course it's a 7. So once I've done this, I just go to the top, all my grades are in, and I'm going to say export the term grade so I can have a nice Excel spreadsheet that will allow us to look at that final grade and make it easier to process. So now I have this great little spreadsheet, and I can see the final grade for each of the students in this class. And I'll need to look at what this one is. There's obviously an error there, but save it to your desktop, and then the next video I will show you how to take those grades, and we're going to enter them into Skyward so that they show up on the end of the year report card. Thanks, and I hope this helps.